Hello, my name is Astrologer Sai Subhajit. Welcome to my YouTube family. Today I am going to tell the prediction for the mayor that is going to happen on June 6th, 2020 in the city of Kaohsiung, Taiwan. The current mayor, Mr. Han Guo-Yui, has been elected in 2018. But for this year, the election for the mayorship is going to happen on June 6th. So, based on his birth chart, whether he is going to win or he is going to lose, I am going to predict that. I have his date of birth only, no time is known. So, based on his current position of the planets, what his fate says, I am trying to analyze that and predict that in front of you. First of all, his zodiac sign is Gemini, and for the Gemini zodiac, the ruler is the Mercury. Mercury governs the communication and the skills, and his moon sign, as per the Indian Vedic astrology, is Capricorn, and the ruler is the planet Saturn. Saturn is the most powerful and the most important planet to give the result for the election. And right now, from the last 2 years, as per his planetary position, he is not doing so much well in terms of things. That means he may be trying to do it, but he is unable to implement that successfully, and because of which it has been seen that he has a great impact of planets in his life. And right now, on June 6th, exactly some hours before, lunar eclipse is going to pass over his moon sign, and in his zodiac sign, this planet will have more impact, the planet Rahu and Ketu, as per the Indian Vedic astrology. So it is seen from his birth chart that he is not going to win the election for the mayor, and he will not be recalled again this time because of the more impact of Saturn Saraswati, which is known as the Shani Saraswati, very popular word, you can search it in the internet, has an impact on his life from the last 2 years. So it will be very tough for him to win, and it can be said, and as per my analysis, he is not going to win this election anyhow. But in future, he is going to come back very strongly, as from next year 2021 his planet is going to change, and at this change he is may be again re-elected when next election comes. So his planet is going to be strong later in the year, next year. So this is the analysis for the Mr. Han. I wish whoever gets elected in this mayorship, I wish him all the best and a good, prosperous and happy life, and he works good for the city of Kaohsiung. I would request you to subscribe to my channel, like the videos for future notifications. Stay happy, stay fit. Thank you.